See, don't go to washroom. You have session. See, you're able to get tie and filter.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, Abhishek sir.
Good morning, sir. Sahil sir, how are you?
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Shahid sir, shall we start?
Yes, madam. You start, madam. I will start and later you and sir can continue. Good morning, all the members who are present. First and foremost, I would like to give a brief introduction why this kind of program is organized. See, we have various programs in our department wherein accounting plays important role. Especially, we have a program for the resource person. I'm just telling the audience what we are having here. We have now with us BCom students who are integrated with the BCom SCCA, and we have BCom students who are integrated with the CMA US qualification. So, with this set of students, we wanted to have a program on AI. So, Dr. Sharina, our Dean of Faculty of Commerce and Management, professor in the Department of Commerce, as well as Vice Principal of our esteemed institution, have suggested that we should have this kind of program in our department in order to enrich the student knowledge in terms of the current trend, especially what is happening in AI and how it is affecting our accounting environment also nowadays. So with this background, Madam has informed me that we have to, Madam suggested and she urged that we should conduct such kind of program in our department for our students. So with this background, we are having this program today. First and foremost, I would like to welcome the resource person of the day, Dr. Abhishek sir, who will be addressing all the students, and this introduction, the brief introduction of sir, will be done by our Dean, Faculty of Commerce and Management, Dr. Sharina ma'am. On behalf of department, I would like to welcome Sharina ma'am for this session. Sharina madam is behind the pillar of our all activities what we conduct in our department. Madam is also a resource person for many of the events at ASIM as well as other organizations. Madam has pursued her masters in accounting only, and also she has completed her PhD in commercial management. This introduction, Madam, is for our students who are listening through virtually in all the classrooms. With this small introduction, I would like to welcome Madam for this session.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, I request you to give brief introduction of our resource person of the day. Over to you, madam.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Good morning, dear students. Today's resource person, HOD, faculty members, and one and all who is attending the session. Dr. Abhishek Yen, today's esteemed and experienced resource person. First of all, I would like to thank Sir for accepting our invitation. Despite of his busy schedule, he has agreed to deliver this session. Thank you very much. Dr. Abhishek Yen obtained his PhD in Business Reporting (XBRL) and MCOM in Financial Accounting and Reporting and XBRL specialization at the University of Mysore. He also completed the CMA Intermediate on his first attempt. Presently, he is working as an assistant professor at GFGC, Alebredu Hassan. Previously, he has served as an assistant professor in various institutes in Mysore and Mangalore and in our institute also for a short period of time. He has published 92 research articles to date in various national and international journals which are indexed in Scopus, Web of Science, ABDC and UGC Care List, and has 472 citations to his credit. He has published a book titled Emerging Trends in Accounting. He was also involved in developing UGC MOOCs on GST for UG and PG under SWAYAM platform. He has also received recognition for his research work at the 71st All India Commerce Conference at Osmania University, Hyderabad, and was awarded Best Business Academic of the Year 2018. Also, he is the awardee of the ICAI International Research Award 2023 for his distinguished paper titled Electric Vehicles in Business Processes and Sustainable Development in the Accounting category. He also received Young Researcher Award from the Indian Commerce Association at the University of Delhi in the year 2023 for his contribution to the field of commerce and management. He is a reviewer and board member for various journals. He has presented research papers in various national and international seminars and conferences. He has also participated as a keynote speaker and resource person in various workshops, seminars, and conferences, including short-term course of UGC, MMTTC, Mumbai University. He is a member of various professional bodies, notably the Indian Accounting Association, Indian Commerce Association, and Indian Accounting Association Research Foundation. His research interests include XBRL, IFRS on environmental reporting and robotic applications in accounting, carbon credit accounting, and modern education. On this with this, on behalf of the Enokoya Institute of Arts, Science, Commerce and Management, Enokoya deemed to be university, we wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, today for today's session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for wonderful introduction, and I am also thankful for this opportunity. I think, can you please confirm whether my screen is visible?
No, sir.
One second.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now it is visible, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Before proceeding further, I want to interact with the students through online. For that, I will share. I think, ma'am, I have shared one link. Please inform students to join with that link.
Now I'll share it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I'll do that.
Or else the students can scan this QR, or they can log in with slido.com by entering this code.
Students, can you all please scan this using your mobile phone? Sabina, may I get any response from student? You just find out whether students are able to do that.
No, ma'am.
We are trying, sir. We are trying.
Okay, okay. Or else you directly share that link, ma'am.
I'll share it. I'll share it. 1 second.
Okay, ma'am. You take your time.
Faculty members, may I get the response? Sabina, may I know the update? Sabina, can you unmute your mic and speak?
Some students are able to join the.
They are able to,
Ma'am,
right?
students are joining.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Students are doing. They are scanning.
Ma'am, students have joined. It shows there are no active polls at the moment.
One
Okay,
second.
okay, okay.
One second. Now please confirm.
Yes, sir. We are able to see the question.
Students, I wanted to get your answers for this question. Who will be the first respondent? First answer is force, and some answer is ACCA, and some joined due to the force by their ma'am to graduate for job, for education, IMA. I want to get a degree. Uh, there are two critical reasons we have observing here. One is ma'am told to join, another one is to graduate. Okay, to success, for bright and secured future, to do finance, taxation and auditing. So we are seeing four different answers which are taking dominance. One is to get the graduation, another one is to be a successful person. Yes, congratulations for those who have answered to be successful person. Another one is ma'am told to join. I want to get a degree. A passion. Very good, very good. Simply joined. Okay. So to graduate, all of you completed? Next thing is why ACCA is important. I think students are getting another question. Why ACCA is important? So waste of time to become rich. So waste of time means he or she is wasting their life because CA is bakwas, globally recognized, poor to get a job, CPA student. We are doing CMA, not ACCA. You will get global opportunity. Yes. So, you can observe here there are two dominant answers. One is to become rich and to get good job, to build professionalism, money. Not an ACCA student, okay, no issue. But you can get awareness why professional course is important in today's AI environment and global opportunity. And one more question I want to get what exactly you are thinking.
ಅವನೇನು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಗುರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಹಿದ್ ಸರ್ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್
I think you got one more question. Do you think AI replaces you in future? Yes, yes.
ಅದು ಬೈಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಂತಿಲ್ಲ
If I study, will I fail? Yes, it can be. Yes, of course, no doubt. So, no way. So, here you can see many of you are agreeing. AI will replace you. I hope this session definitely help you to get a perfect answer to whether AI replaces future accountants or not. So you just observe. I will. So there are 92, 95 votes, 96 votes I have received, 97, and approximately 100 votes. So here S is dominating answer. So it means majority of the people are thinking AI will replace us. So, but I will answer in a different way throughout this session. So please follow me. If you are having any questions, please note down. I will take those questions at the end of the session. So now I will stop this what is that brainstorming activity. Now I am continuing with my presentation. Yes, I think anyone please confirm whether my screen is visible or not.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes. So why this session is necessary? Today, wherever you go, we are seeing the rise of AI, and it is transforming all industries, whether it may be agriculture, whether it may be production, healthcare, whatever it may be. And accounting is not an exception. That is the point. ACCA students in India, that is what you people need to understand what exactly the evolving landscape you are going to face in your future career as part of AI environment. And why this is essential? Why? Because AI is not just changing how accounting tasks are performed. That is what the point. So here accounting means it is nothing but passive or active role of accountant. So we are performing accounting through maintaining the transactions with the help of journal ledger, trial balance, and financial statements. Now it is necessary to redefine, to transform entire accounting process with the help of AI. So here we need to understand what exactly AI playing vital role in your profession. And many of you agreed AI will replace, but I will tell you AI will never replace you. Why? Because AI is created by man, so AI can't replace the man. That is what the point. But what type of challenges we can face? Yes, absolutely, we will face very severe challenges that may create stress as well as burden on our future career. Let's see what exactly the thing we are going to enjoy with the help of AI, and how it will modify your learning process, as well as how it will transform your professional career. So usually what one more question I will ask you people. Please, anyone answer. So I will ask anyone, please replay me with the chat box. As of now, I am not able to connect uh, with that one. 1 second. So what exactly the important role of accountant? Forget AI. Tell me, anyone, please tell me, and you post your answer. What exactly the important role of accountant? Forget about AI.
Sheetal, can you, give an opportunity to students to speak?
Okay, I will take answers in the next coming minutes. So now I will move forward. Okay, AI in accounting. What exactly current landscape? So this is very simple. If you are applying AI in accounting, you are going beyond simple automation, and you are going to incorporate machine learning and other AI models so as to advance analytics to transform how financial data is processed and interpreted. So what exactly the previous accountant were doing? They were in a position to collect all vouchers. They were in a position to start writing journal entries and posting them to ledger, and finally preparing financial statements through balance sheet as well as statement of profit or losses. Now all these clerical work, whatever we are recording and maintaining books of accounts, will be completely replaced. Now accountant role will be changed. So what are the different areas where you need to apply AI so as to transfer your responsibility, transform your responsibility, transform your process? So first one is automated data entry and reconciliation. I already told you, if you want to work with accounting, you need to collect vouchers, you need to start with journal and end with financial statements. Now those things will be done by automatically through AI tools, AI and allied tools. So here, very simple, AI system can extract data from invoices, receipts, and statements with minimal human intervention. Yes, here what is necessary? Your clerical task will be eliminated, but your analytical skills will get importance. And one more thing, you can apply for robotic process automation. So there are many softwares like XBRL, IXBRL, and Zoho Books. I think all of you heard about Zoho Books. So there is a difference between Tally and Zoho. If you want to work with Tally, you need to start with journal, but if you are replacing Tally with Zoho Books, anyone, please, after this session, you just check what is the different functional difference of Zoho Books, where you will get. Just you start with the financial statements. Zoho Books software itself will take care for posting them ledger, for posting them into journal. So you can work top bottom approach or bottom up approach in AI and allied area, but in the earlier case you should start with journal and end with balance sheet. Now it is not the case. And one more thing is, so with the help of AI you can enhance your financial reporting practices. Why? In the previous scenario, only on numerical aspects, in terms of sales, in terms of trading aspects, in terms of assets, in terms of liabilities, they were getting important thing. Now beyond numbers you need to disclose, beyond numbers you need to report. Say for example, today is the today your organization is facing loss. What is the major reason for the for that loss? So maybe operational inefficiency. So what factors influenced on such operational inefficiency you need to identify. For that you need to report 360-degree information. Say for example, environmental, social and governance aspects to be reported. So for that this AI application will help you. And one more thing is, the primary responsibility of ACCA or CMA or CA is to detect the fraud. So detecting fraud is one of the challenging tasks. If you apply AI for detecting fraudulent activity throughout accounting function, so it will reduce your overall time, overall effort, and it enhances your efficiency, and it will help you to minimize your overall physical activity, so that you can help yourself by saving your time to focus on analytical aspects. So what I am suggesting here is that AI will never replace accountant. This is the first thing. Why? Because it changes your pattern of working. So while accountant was clerk, now he is the financial analyst. So your program, what is that? Your function will shifting from clerk to this one, analyst, financial analyst. So now another thing. So what are the important transformation you can get through this one? So I think all of you getting this image automated accounting process, where whatever what you need to do now, receive document. So say for example, you are an accountant. Say for example, your client in the sense for the business for which you are going to do accounting as well as auditing. So what they are doing, they are selling goods and taking money through UPI. So then what you can do, you need to record transaction one by one. Earlier what we were doing, we were referring bank passbook for reconciliation, or BRS need to be, a bank reconciliation statement need to be prepared while preparing statement of profit or loss or whatever it may be, for the purpose of complying with the law. But now it is not the case. BRS is not at all necessary. So then what is necessary? So you are taking payment through UPI, Unified Payment Interface. So you just ask your client to get all UPI scan, or all UPI photo scans done by their customers. So you just upload whatever the image you received from your client through AI software, that will record. What is that? That will record. That will record entry there. That will classify the ledger, and that will prepare what is that, trial balance, and that will prepare balance sheet. And AI itself maintain your books of accounts, starting from journal, ledger, subsidiary books, and other aspects. So this is the point. Next, another one is real-time auditing. Real-time auditing, it is nothing but due to the inculcation of AI, you need not to wait for 365 days or 6 months or 3 months or 1 month. You can perform your auditing on a daily basis, on transaction basis. That is one of the advantage. But at the end, say for example, now all Indian citizens need to be file income tax. So auditors are very busy. So if you contact auditors or chartered accountants, they will not pick your call, and they will tell we are busy, we are busy. Why? Because deadline is approaching. So 31st July, now it is September 15th for filing income tax return. Before that they need to process. But if you apply AI and other aspects to your accounting process, it will help you to complete auditing process on daily basis. If transaction occurred today, you can complete your audit today itself. That is what the point. And another one is, I already told you, so with the help of AI, you will not continue as a clerk. You are not a clerk now. Instead of clerk, you are becoming a professional analyst. You are going to give valid input to make a decision on your business, on your client's business. Say, for example, whether to continue their business, whether discontinue their business, or undertake more sales, or how to avoid their fraudulent activities. For other thing, you can give smart suggestions as an analyst. So here what I am telling, physical work replaced by mental work. So you should be smart. That is what the point AI environment is expecting. Once again, I will authoritatively tell, your application of AI will never replace accountant, but it transforms the accounting process. It transforms the accountant role. That is what the point. Next thing is, what exactly the role in today's AI environment you need to face. So here, I think you're getting my point. Okay, my screen is visible. Anyone please confirm?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
So I already told you, AI will transform the accounting landscape and role of accounting professionals. So here we need to compare what exactly traditional focus of ACCA or chartered accountants, CMA, or any other professionals. In the previous era, what is that? Before AI, emergence of AI, accountants were majorly focused on data entry. I told you they need to collect individual vouchers, individual receipts. They need to verify individual receipts and vouchers. Then they need to start with journal entry. If you purchased a goods purchases account data to cash. If it is purchased on cash, then you need to recollect what exactly the rules of accounting, golden rules of accounting in terms of personal, nominal, and real account. Now it is not the case. You need not to remind what exactly the role, what exactly the nominal account wages paid, or wages paid is coming under the nominal account rule. Nominal account rule says that debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. You should not think about reminding all rules and regulations. Everything will be taken care by what is that AI. So here you need to think about data interpretation. What is that? You need to say, for example, your sales was rupees 1 lakh, net profit is 2000. So what exactly the impact of your organization, impact on your organization? For that, you need to learn different things to interpret, to analyze the information produced by accountant. Another one is strategic advisory. Yes, you are not continuing as a clerk. You will be continuing as a advisor. You will be a financial advisor, accounting advisor. You are an expert, and you are going to involve in a value creation process. So you will be in board meeting. You will be in top level management team. So that is what your role, and you are going to give business insight. So what exactly the future of your business, and what should your client should focus for sustaining in the competitive world. That is what the point. And what type of different data responsibilities you are going to face in ACCA or whatever it may be the professional course. First one is data governance and quality assurance. Yes, what quality you are going to maintain. And AI system oversight and validation. Yes, absolutely. I already told you, every day you need to validate what exactly the transaction occurred. And when real time auditing is came into place, you need to focus on that. And ethical consideration in AI driving decision. Yes, absolutely. Ethical aspects is essential. Why? Because AI will be worked based on the pre-training. If AI trained, or whatever the AI software is developed while training, if they are biased at the time of developing AI system for accounting, so definitely whatever the decision you are going to take, that will be also biased. So you need to think what exactly ethical aspects need to be followed while applying AI in accounting process. And one more thing is, it will help you to perform advanced business analytics and forecasting. And one more thing, and other aspect is what exactly the benefits you are going to enjoy as an accountant, as an professional accountant in by automation of accounting. One thing is unified business data ecosystem. Yes, absolutely. Throughout the nation, throughout the accounting environment, wherever you go, whatever the bookkeeping or whatever the ledger maintenance, whatever the subsidiary maintenance will be unified, and that will be cloud based. Another one is whatever the insight you are going to give, that will be based on customer need. Customer means you are an accountant for your client himself is himself your customers. For them, you are going to customize insights, whatever the insights you are generated from AI. And one more thing, you are going to involve in strategic forecasting and planning. I already told you, clerical work will be replaced through planning and decision making. And one more thing is efficient auditing and compliance. I already told you, many business organizations suffering today due to the more penalty and other aspects. Why they are paying more penalty? Because they are not complied as per the rules and regulations. I think recently you have seen GST council has issued sorry, GST authority has issued notice to many what is that suppliers. Why? Because they are not registered, even their threshold limit crossed 40 lakhs rupees. So here they are facing problem due to the compliance and auditing. So today's newspaper, you just see one of the GST authorities advising people to take suggestion from accountants in the sense you are the professionals. So from you they need to take suggestion for continuing the registration and for escaping from paying penalty. Why? Because your presence is essential as an ACCA or CMA or CA. Your presence is essential. Why? Because your role is to audit and help them to comply with rules and regulations. If you are not supporting them to comply with rules and regulations, definitely your client will face a severe problem in the point of law. That is one of the major role you need to play. And better security, yes. And another one is it will save time and data accuracy. Yes, your clerical work will be removed. Then there is no question of errors. So that helps you in enhancing the accuracy. Absolutely, you are not maintaining any books. What is that? Physical books. Then it will reduce your overall cost. Then enhances the profitability of both accountants as well as business organization. And one more thing is, so due to the application of AI in your business organization, it enhances visibility of business transaction. It enhances the overall transparency of your business practices. And one more thing is, so you can offer holistic financial insights. That is what the benefits you can enjoy through accounting automation. Once again, I am asking same question. Now you think whether AI will replace you or not. Absolutely, my answer is no. As an expert in the area, my answer is no. It will not replace. But given that, you need to update with your skills. So required skills to work with AI. And what are the essential skills? Now I am telling, you need to acquire many skills. So what type of different skills you need to acquire? So this is the point. So I think you are getting my point. Here you just observe technological proficiency. Many people, they are well versed with the recording journal and classifying into ledger, preparation of trial balance, and they know how to calculate profit, and they know how to prepare balance sheet. But they don't know what exactly the technological upgradation you need to make yourself. So if you are not updating yourself with these skills by from today itself, definitely you will also face what is that unemployment risk, and you will also become a dead horse in the market. So first one is technological proficiency. Yes, you need to understand AI tools and data analytics software, Power BI and Tableau, and cloud-based accounting platforms. Yes, I already told you. Today, you just look into Coursera. Coursera is one of the best platform where you are going to get plenty of courses, technological-based courses. You just go log in, and many millions of courses will be of at free of cost. You just join and upgrade with these skills. And one more thing is data literacy. Yes, you should improve your ability to interpret, analyze, and visualize large data sets to derive meaningful insights for decision making. Yes, absolutely. Instead of focusing on outdated aspect, you just focus on smart things which catered by which created the need to learn those aspects in AI environment. Another one is critical thinking and problem solving. Yes, so if goods are purchased, you need to debit purchase account, need to credit cash account. That is not critical thinking. So you need to employ things beyond, you need to employ the skills which are beyond this clerical work. So that is what the point I need to stress here. And one more thing, you need to understand what exactly ethical aspects involved in AI in finance, including in data privacy, bias, and responsible use of technology. Why? Because many governments are imposing the usage of AI in the limited way, like that, you need to think about that. And one more thing, communication and collaboration. Yes, absolutely. You need to learn how to communicate the data generated through AI, and you need to learn how to interact with the non-technical people, and you need to work with the technological.
Sir, sorry to, your voice is not audible clearly.
Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So another thing is you need to build your own capability to interact with all other people who are directly and indirectly related to your business organization. And so you just observe automated expense processing. Say for example, now GST is issuing notice to many people. Why? Because they were not maintained their expenses record, and they were not maintained proper accounting. So that is what the point. If you apply a automated expense processing, you will be able to help your client download the relevant app, whatever you are going to follow. And what they need to do, they need to upload all details related to their expenses on daily basis or point to point upload. After uploading, what you need to do, so you need to store all the details in the app. So through that, what you can do, the images are processed in the app, and the relevant data is automatically extracted to your accounting software. So what is that? So paper maintenance and verification of each and every aspects is eliminated. Now everything is automated. So due to this AI, all accountants are enjoying more opportunities than problems. So what I am suggesting for future accountants like you people is, you need to update yourself with these skills. So today only, you please join any courses, certificate courses which are offering these type of aspects. I don't know whether NFI University inculcated these aspects or not, but in future, definitely even ACCA itself is incorporating these aspects in their curriculum. So we are in India. Yes, it is one of the emerging economy and largest economy. We need to think what are the opportunities and challenges we are going to face. So India is one of the unique country, having a different legal setup and environmental setup. So where accountants will face a different thing, but we need to have strong IT infrastructure, and we need to get large talent pool. And one more thing, India is also having growing economy which is adopting digital technologies in a larger manner. So it is one of the IT hub. Okay. So now what type of opportunities we are getting? So first thing is in India you can see rapid digital transformation. Many companies are already adapting with AI. So all companies are following cloud-based accounting softwares, and they are adopting, and that increased their say for example transaction process size And so this is one of the thing where what opportunity you are getting. So if you are learning ACCA along with digital aspects, definitely you will be placed at the top companies like Big Four, and you can join the best places, multinational corporations. That is what the point. And one more thing, impact on Indian CAs or accountant. Yes, 75% of manual accounting tasks are being automated. I already told you 75%. But after some decade, one decade, 100% it will be automated, and it will eliminate your what to say, eliminate your clerical task. Then it will allow you to free yourself for professional advisory roles. So from now onwards, you need to think, I am ACCA. My role is not accounting. Now my role is not auditing. My role is to provide advisory services, advisory roles. That is what the point. And in India, you can see regulatory landscape is supporting a digitalization. That is also one of the thing. If you are learning AI and allied skills along with your ACCA, definitely you will become good expert, and company will put a red carpet to welcome you for their company. And education adaptation, Indian accounting institutions are updating curriculum, including AI and data analytics. Yes. So in the next coming slide, I will show how ACCA is also thinking to add these aspects into their curriculum. ACCA and AI preparing for the future. This is the crucial aspects we need to discuss now. So I already told you it is a evolving qualification, and it ensures future accountant more competent with required skills needed in the AI driven world. So here, what type of ACCA is making effort to integrate technology in their process. First one is technology, digital data are fully integrated throughout all levels of ACCA qualification. Yes, this is the information derived from their website. And exam scenario reflect current influences like AI, data analytics, and machine learning. So whatever the examination questions you were facing previously, that will be changed in future, in near future, not 1 year, 2 year. Within 6 months, they will update, and you need to learn ethical and professional skills. Why? Because they will be inculcated into your syllabus, so that you will become a competent accountant in AI environment. You just observe one statement I have taken from ACCA. Our goal is to ensure that future generations of accountants are prepared to understand the technologies, impact, opportunities, and risk for organization. Yes, absolutely. You just observe technologies and their impact, what opportunities you are going to get, and what risk organization may face. So they are also trying to make you more competent. That is one of the interesting aspects you can see. So this is what future of accounting, totally based on AI. So where you just neglecting manual entry of data and manual processing of books of accounts, and they will be completely replaced with AI based bookkeeping. So where your role will be analyzing the entire financial position. You are going to analyze financial state of affairs, and you need to certify true and fair view of their accounting practices. That is what your role. So once again, I am telling you, AI will never replace accountants. Why? Because it is created by human, but the thing is, you need to update the skills which are more competitive with what is that, AI. That is what the point. Next thing, so what exactly the future outlook, what may be the your future if you are continuing with this profession. So your role should be collaborative. And why? Because you need to augment the human capability. Yes, you never don't think. And one of the answer I got at the initial interaction, I am in fear whether AI replaces or not. So here you just observe, I am authoritatively telling AI never replace you. This is what the point. It will not replace. Why? Because the most successful accounting professional will be those who effectively collaborate with AI system. Earlier, you were collaborating with your what is that colleagues, classmates. Now you need to collaborate with AI. So you need to limit yourself to what extent you need to apply your manual skills, to what extent you need to take your AI skills. If you are not applying your AI skills, you will be outdated. So that's why you need to have collaboration with AI. Please learn, please check on day-to-day basis what are the new development, new AI technological development taking place in your profession. So think about your future and adopt those things today itself. Then what happens? You are going to become competent accountant in future accounting environment. And one more thing is human judgment, ethical reasoning, and strategic thinking will remain uniquely. Yes, absolutely. I will give one example. Recently, I have seen in WhatsApp. Doctors are using ChatGPT for answering their exams. So please keep your health good. So what it means, by whatever maybe the doctors they are using for writing their examination, graduates who are MBBS graduates are writing their exams based on ChatGPT. So they are not reading, they are putting hard work. They may get suggestion from AI or ChatGPT, whatever it may be. But if a patient asking any question to the doctor in a fear manner, definitely doctor will give emotional touch. Likewise, whatever the human emotions and whatever the human judgment, whatever the human role can't be replaced. So that's why you need to apply your talent, your critical thinking. You need to improve yourself in terms of the activities which can't be done through AI. So that is what work AI can't be done even 100 years after 100 years. Why? Because AI will work based on the training. So if algorithm is not properly trained, definitely that AI role will be limited to the training, but it will not go beyond. But human life is totally dynamic. Whatever the today's function, that will not be same, it will be changed tomorrow. So for that, human judgment cannot be replaced, and ethical reasoning cannot be replaced. Strategic thinking will not be replaced. So I am telling you, it will never replace you. And one more thing, what type of trends you are going to face in future? One is remote workforce. Yes, office can be removed. Data security, you need to focus about that. And advisory services, yes, it is very important thing where you are going to focus. Next, you need to apply AI. Value based pricing, yes, these are the aspects. Blockchain technology and many more. Big data, online marketing, data analytics, cloud based software, diverse skills. These are the industry trends what we are going to see in future. And one more thing is what type of action you need to take. Develop technical proficiency with AI tools and data analytics software. Yes, I already told you. Use Coursera platform, that will help you to get your skills updated. And strengthen soft skills like communication, critical thinking, and ethical reasoning. I already told you these skills cannot be replaced by AI. Pursue continuous learning beyond formal ACCA qualification. So why? Because you will be having some examination. So examination will make you strong in accounting domain. At the same time, beyond the examination, you need to focus on updating these skills. And one more thing, you need to seek opportunities to apply AI in the practical accounting scenarios. So this is what exactly the aspect. But one specific theme I wanted to discuss today is that AI won't replace accountant. Instead, it will make you more equipped, more competent, and you need to have collaboration with AI. This is what the matter of discussion. Any question? So this session is open for discussion now. Any question you have, please let me know. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Shala madam, anybody is having any questions? Anything you got?
So not yet. Students enroll on course.
അതുപോലെ ടൂർ പാലം കണ്ണി മൂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆ ಅದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅದೇ ಬುಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ
If no questions, we can end the session, sir.
Okay.
ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಾದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ
Yes, sir. If you get anything, we will share with you, sir. Because the students we actually speaking, they all have joined in a single system, and teachers are collecting questions and putting in a chat box. This is what the setup we have made here. So
Okay,
maybe
sir.
that reason the questions are not coming in spontaneously.
Okay, sir. Okay, no
Sir,
issues.
first and foremost, I would like to thank you for spending an hour, almost an hour, and what of the effort you have put. Uh, Sir, I have one question here. Before that, I just stop in
Please.
second. So students have put one question. So let me go for that what happens later part. Students are asking, is there any data privacy issue for using AI in accounting when it comes to the secrecy part?
Okay, yes, absolutely. And a very good question. And why? Because wherever I am speaking throughout the session, I was mentioning one ethical reasoning and ethical aspects, ethical components. So it is totally depending upon the developer. Why? Because all AI softwares or AI tools can't be believed. So that should be verified and certified by what is that competent authority before making it available to accountants. That is not the matter. And privacy issues will be there. Why? Because it is depending upon the designer. So that it will be depending upon the regulatory authorities as well as the company which is adopting the tool based on their requirement. But before adopting that, they need to think twice, thrice. That is what the points are. I think they got my point.
Yes, yes. What is the accuracy of getting a good result from a accuracy level?
Accuracy level in the sense, say for example, I told you, assume, say for example, I am the petty shopkeeper. I am having 1,000 together transaction in a day. So I am not maintaining any what is that any books of accounts. So instead what I will do, I will take all my transaction through UPI. What I will do, my what is that accountant had given a what is that a chance to upload all my day-to-day transaction to the app where he is maintaining. So what is that? I am uploading the screenshots of UPI payments, and whatever the transaction shots of UPI payment will be uploaded to that app. So that accountant will collect those uploaded documents in their software. They will process with the help of AI. So now tell me, here no intervention of manual entry of transaction. Everything is online and everything is AI based. So accuracy level will be at the Six Sigma, means 99.9999667%. What is that accuracy level? So there is some error. There may be some error that will be negligible, but by the application of AI, you can eliminate error to the maximum extent. That is what the point. And I got, that is what about quality of financial reporting. What is that? Yes, what exactly the yes. One more thing, what exactly its impact, and whether it is impacting on accounting quality. Yes, absolutely. What do you mean by accounting quality here? Very simple. Accounting, whatever the report you are going to produce through accounting will be read by the stakeholders. So there are many stakeholders, maybe producers, customers, or government, income tax department, or suppliers, whoever may be. So if you are preparing the accounting reports based on the requirement of what is that stakeholder, then quality will be very high. I mentioned in one of the slide what is that. So AI based accounting will provide customer centric insights, stakeholder centric insights. It means quality is very high, provided that the it is totally depending upon it is totally what is that depending upon the designer, what level of testing has been done before implementation of AI tool. That is what the point. And one more question is, will AI eventually replace accountants or redefine their role completely? Yes, absolutely. Never. Even after 100 years, AI can't replace people. Why? Because there are some role which can't be played by the AI. What is that? Emotional intelligence, human judgment, and sometime advisory. Why? Because whatever the business situations we are facing today, that are dynamic. So whatever the business today we are having, that is totally different tomorrow. So but AI will be trained for particular scenarios, but business scenarios are totally different. So for that, AI can't replace, but they redefine and transform entire accounting roles. So for that, I am suggesting all future accountants to update with required AI tools, skills. That is what. Any other questions? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can. I'm seeing some questions, but I think you already answered that role of accounting.
I think I
Will
got the
AI
good questions even in online mode.
Yes, 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 yes. I think that you already answered that question, that whether the role of accountant will be there or not. That is the again we are asking. Okay. I think the students have asked because these are the various classes from where the teachers are putting the questions from the students, what they are having in their mind. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Any other questions? I think no questions.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for spending your valuable time with our student today. And I know that the effort what you have put, it is clearly visible through the colorful slides what you mentioned. And when we talk about AI, the presentation was very attractive. I think our students also enjoyed it, and they all got to know now what is their role. Now, just notebook, maybe today they are learning this for the sake of understanding it, but what they are supposed to do, everything is, I think, very clear for them today. And in future, what will be their role, how they should be in a position where they should match the uh, future need, especially the AI world, AI era. We cannot say that it is coming in future. We're already living with this. So we don't have any other option that, okay, we can learn it later. So as you have mentioned in between, whether university is having all these aspects in our curriculum, we already have, and we are having some certifications and all that we will implement in between. We will make sure that all our students will learn about AI integration and all. Abhishek sir, we would like to thank on behalf of Enapa University Dean Faculty of Management, Dr. Sharina Madam, our principal, Dr. Jivan Raj, and all the uh, students who are present today. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
And we have all the faculty members who are here with us. They are working with the IT team, and they are making sure that this program is delivered 100% to all the students. And I'd like to thank the faculty members who are present here, and also the students, and especially the IT team. Now, when we do this virtual program, we need their support. And I would like to thank everyone who have supported this particular unit. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Shall I leave the meeting, sir?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.